Welcome to the future of urban living. Welcome to The Wave by Raghava, shaping up right here in the growth corridor of Kollur. Hello everyone, hope you're all doing great. I am Alfred from Raghava, a brand synonymous with world-class project, top-notch quality and trust. The construction work at Wave is progressing at a brisk pace, and I take immense pleasure in updating you about the construction progress as on 3rd Feb 2026. The Wave project comprises of 4 towers and each tower has 2 level basements. In Tower 1, 2 basements and stilt floor are 100% completed. First to 29th floor works are 100% completed. The 30th floor works are in progress. In Tower 2, 2 basements and still floor are 100% completed. The works from 1st to 29th floor are 100% completed. The 30th floor works are in progress. In Tower 3, 2 basements and still floor are 100% completed. The works from 1st to 25th floor are 100% completed. The 26th floor works are in progress. In Tower 4, 2 basements and still floor are 100% completed. The first floor to 20th floor works are 100% completed. The 21st floor works are in progress. The Clubhouse, Basement 1, slab works are in progress. We at Raghava ensure absolute transparency in delivering unparalleled quality at every stage of construction and give you regular monthly insights of Wave project progress.